life's funny how it plays out. Need to know if anybody got a way out. Somebody with money and a payout. One day we'll thank God for how we made out. Being broke sure is getting played out. A better life is something that I pray about. Find a beach, find peace and just lay out. Find a beach, find peace and just lay out. Tryna find our way out the storm, we see better days. I was the kid with the stand making lemonade. We need to find an escape, need to get away. And you gon' find you an ape if you get in the way. My mom, nice place she can live. In-house studio, we gon' make hits. Had to do a couple things God might not forgive. Had to do a couple things I would do again. I just wanna be out here in the 86. Just really need it all to make sense. I remember long nights trying to sleep on a freight couch. Asked the family, picture they pouch. Book a sacrifice, yeah, I really took a page out. And now it just waits out. Sometimes life's funny how it plays out. Need to know if anybody got a way out. Somebody with money and a payout. One day we'll thank God for how we made out. Being broke sure is getting played out. A better life is something that I pray about. Find a beach, find peace and just lay out. Find a beach, find peace and just lay out.
Hey, life's funny how it plays out. I be looking for bags and spending days out. Take the good with the bad, see how it weighs out. Snakes push through the grass, but yeah, I stays out. I take the safe route. They ain't seen nothing that I'm facing, or they would be puzzled in amazement. Stacking up numbers in my savings. Budgeting the money notes are coming to the cravings. Dollars in abundance, keep running, but I'm chasing. Cause one day, not sure could be a Sunday or Monday, but I'ma buy me a Benz, fuck a Hyundai. I want a private jet sitting on a runway, and a yacht tied dockside someday. I'm talking 3-month shopping sprees. It's a short thing like beachfront property. Ain't none of these chumps stopping me. I just need a chance to handle each one properly.
Funny how it plays out. Need to know if anybody got a way out. Somebody with money and a payout. One day we'll